A new law protects Native American students' rights to wear tribal regalia. San Juan College is hosting a college preparedness workshop for high school students, and the Easter Bunny is coming to Farmington. You're watching the Local News Roundup, brought to you by Boone's Family Thai Barbecue and Sunray Park and Casino. I'm your host, Ryan Simonovich. A new state law protects Native American students' rights to wear tribal regalia at school events such as graduation ceremonies. New Mexico Senate Bill 163 was signed into law by the governor on March 20th. Last year, Farmington High School officials confiscated a student's graduation cap because it had been decorated with tribal symbols. Earlier this year, the Farmington Municipal School District adopted a policy that allows students to decorate graduation caps with cultural, religious, Americana, military, or civic expressions. A spokesperson for the school district said FMS will review the new law to ensure compliance. High school students are invited to San Juan College's Let's Get Ready for College event on Tuesday, April 8th. The event will feature financial aid guidance, information about student employment and internship opportunities, career coaching, and more. The event is open to high school seniors and their parents. It starts at 3:30 p.m. at the Student Sons Lounge on the San Juan College campus. Start your Easter weekend with the Easter Extravaganza at Sycamore Park Community Center on Friday, April 18th from 9 a.m. to noon. The event is San Juan County's largest Easter egg hunt, with the main egg scramble event starting at 10:30. The Easter Bunny will be on site for photos all morning, and food, vendors, games, and a dance contest will also be part of the day's events. Large crowds are expected, so attendees should plan to arrive early. All traffic entering the park must use South Carlton Avenue. Learn more about these stories and more at farmingtonlocal.news. Thanks for watching this week's edition of the Local News Roundup. I'm Ryan Simonovich.